Hey everybody, it's Craig with ClipScribe. Today I have another content idea for you, video content idea. And just a reminder, if you do a ClipScribe free trial, 7-day free trial, even if you don't get to keep the free trial, you get a free access lifetime membership to 100 stories. Gives you over 100 video content story ideas, and that's where this idea comes from. So today's idea is called upgrade. What does that mean? We'll talk about something you recently upgraded. Why did you upgrade it? What difference did the upgrade make? Or maybe something you're thinking about upgrading. What difference did it make in your business or life? You could also talk about an upgrade that you regretted, something you might have upgraded and you wish you didn't. Could be anything from a tech device to a college degree. So don't limit yourself to something obvious like a cable plan. So my upgrade I'm going to talk about today is when I upgraded my studio, not my lights and my camera or anything, but actually the stands that I have. So before, in the previous place I had my studio, I had light stands and tripods, and they were all over the place. And it was super frustrating because every time I walked in, and that's where I did my work too, is that I have to try to get past all these light stands, or every time that I wanted to use them, I'd have to fold them up, put them away, then put them back, then try to get the camera lined up right and everything. And it was just very frustrating. So one of the things that I have appreciated the most is that I found some light stands that I can mount on the wall, and they fold up and down. And I actually use one of those same light stands for my camera too. So I have two light stands mounted on the wall, and they're up high, so they don't bother anything. And even if I needed to, I could push them up further. Oh, and my camera is also up high too, so I can walk around it very easily. But if I ever need to, I can push it up way up high so that it is completely out of the way. So these have been super, super helpful for me because I like to have a nice, clean space without a bunch of craziness around me. I don't know about you, but that distracts me and keeps me from being able to concentrate and work. So that is an upgrade that's definitely made a difference in my sanity and in allowing me to be able to keep my gear there all the time. I don't have to take it down, so I can just turn it on. And in fact, I use Alexa. I'm not going to say it now, but I tell Alexa to turn my lights and my camera on for me. So it's super convenient. So let me know what you've upgraded, something you want to upgrade, something you're thinking about upgrading. Feel free to use this video content idea. And if you need more video content ideas, like I said, do a free trial with ClipScribe. You can create videos like this one for multiple platforms. And it just makes it super easy for you to amplify the attention you get on your videos, but also expand the reach you get because you can port your video content out to multiple layouts for different platforms. Thanks for watching, everybody. This is Craig Lillard. Like, subscribe, follow. Let me know in the comments what you think about your own ideas about upgrading. And like I said, feel free to use this idea for your own video content. Thanks, everybody. I'll see you on another video.